What's good, my people? Back again with another video. Just before I get into this one, as always, I need to request every single person watching to please like, comment, share, subscribe. Let me know what you think of all the videos. Let me know what you think of all the content. If you have any requests, suggestions, whatever, let me know. And let me get straight into the video without waffling anymore. We've got an orange box. Pretty different to the standard regular Nike sportswear box we've been seeing all the time. Orange, and then it's got the Nike swoosh and then Nike written. It's got a paragraph if you want to pause the video now to read it. On the bottom it's just got the same information it always does. On the back we've got a massive Nike swoosh and then Nike. And then we have a label from a company which actually covers the whole proper information of the actual Nikes. Companies will start putting their labels here now instead of on top. And so it's the Nike Blazer Jumbo Low, white and black leather, UK 10, Euro 44. And let's get straight into this pair. Bam. So we've got the jumbo version of the standard blazer. The standard blazer, you can check out the other video on it and you'll be able to see the standard blazer. I'll just run through all the colors and everything of this pair. So the sole is got a clean kind of creamish sole on the bottom. It's actually got a bit of excess rubber in that. Then we've got the same color midsole the whole way. Then we have leather, another bit of leather, another bit of leather, just leather. Then we've got a tumbled leather swoosh, which is actually massive, going over, actually stitched in here and then like stuck on here. Going right to the back, we've got the Nike Nike written again, and then the swoosh actually connects, so it's like stitched together with that one. This bit should have been better if it was just out. Don't know why they did it like that. The front we've got suede like toe cap type thing that is stitched in. As they are the jumbo, it does make sense to have jumbo laces on them. And then if you can see the tongue, it's got the Nike logo. And then we've got that on the tongue is that kind of exposed sponge type material. Inside is all white, and we do have like a vault type of thing there also, like one of those shoestrays that's quite big, it's wide. But yeah, this is the jumbo. They are quite different, they look quite nice online. I haven't put them on foot yet to see exactly what they're like, but to be honest, I do like them. I like the, you know, jumbo idea or whatever. Yeah, let me know what you think of these. Do you prefer these or the regular? And yeah, make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe. Wait a few moments, you'll see an on-foot video. And most importantly, take care, my people.